Who has become the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option C, Justice Suryakant. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing? Right answer is option A, Parag Jain. Who has been appointed as the Executive Chairman of NALSA? Right answer is option C, Justice Vikram Nath. Who was elected as the first female Prime Minister of Japan in October 2025? Right answer is option B, Sene Takaichi. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes till June 2026? Right answer is option C, Ravi Agrawal. Who was appointed as the 37th President of the Board of Control for Cricket in India? Right answer is option D, Mithun Manhas. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal? Right answer is option B, Sanjay Singhal. Who has been recently appointed as the new CEO of International Cricket Council? Right answer is option B, Sanjog Gupta. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Right answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Who has become the first woman president of International Olympic Committee? Right answer is option B, Kirsty Coventry. Who has been appointed as the chairman of National Stock Exchange? Right answer is option B, Srinivas Injeti. Who has been elected as the president of the 80th session of the United Nations General Assembly? Right answer is option A, Annalena Baerbock. Who has been elected as the president of the International Big Cat Alliance? Right answer is option D, Bhupendra Yadav. Who has been appointed as the chairman and the space secretary of ISRO in January 2025? Right answer is option B, V. Narayanan. Who was appointed as the 15th administrator of NASA in December 2025? Right answer is option D, Jared Isaacman. Who has been appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in October 2025? Right answer is option C, Sirish Chandra Murmu. Who was appointed as 13th Chief Information Commissioner of India in December 2025? Right answer is option C, Rajkumar Goyal. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of Railway Board? Right answer is option C, Satish Kumar. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of IRDAI? Right answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Who has taken charge as chairman of BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? Right answer is option B, Harvansh Chawla. Who became the 15th Vice President of India in September 2025? Right answer is option B, C.P. Radhakrishnan, who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts in 2025. Right answer is option C, TCA Kalyani, who has been reappointed as the Director of CBI till May 2026. Right answer is option A, Praveen Sood, who has been appointed as the new chairman of UPSC in May 2025. Right answer is option B, Ajay Kumar, who was elected as the 12th Director General of UNESCO in November 2025. Right answer is option D, Khalid El Anani, who has assumed charge as President of the FICCI for the 2025 to 26 term. Right answer is option B, Anant Goenka, who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. Right answer is option C, Rajesh Nirwan, who has been appointed as the new Director General of Central Industrial Security Force in September 2025. Right answer is option B, Praveer Ranjan, who has become the first woman CEO and Managing Director of Hindustan Unilever Limited. Right answer is option B, Priya Nair, who was appointed as the Controller General of Communication Accounts and assumed charge on September 2025. Right answer is option D, Vandana Gupta, who has been appointed as Chairman of Indian Banks Association for the next fiscal year. Right answer is option A, Challa Srinivasulu Setty, who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Right answer is option C, Siva Subramaniam Ramanan, who assumed charge as the new director of the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Right answer is option B, Dr. A. Raja Rajan, who became the 35th Director General of the National Cadet Corps in October 2025. Right answer is option D, Lieutenant General Virendra Vats, who has been appointed as the new Director General of Central Reserve Police Force. Right answer is option C, Gyanendra Pratap Singh, who was appointed as the CEO of UIDAI in January 2025. Right answer is option A, Bhuvnesh Kumar, who was reappointed as the Attorney General of India in September 2025. Right answer is option C, R. Venkatramani, who has been elected as the President of the Athletics Federation of India. Right answer is option C, Bahadur Singh Saigu, who has been appointed as the Private Secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Right answer is option A, Nidhi Tiwari, who has become the first ever woman Union Law Secretary. Right answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana, who has been appointed as the chairperson of National Commission for Women? Right answer is option A, Vijaya Rahatkar, who was appointed as the chairperson of the 8th Central Pay Commission. Right answer is option D, Justice Ranjana Prakash, who was appointed as the first woman Director General of the Railway Protection Force. Right answer is option C, Sonali Misra, who has become the new Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force. Right answer is option B, Narmadeswar Tiwari, who has been appointed as the President of ASSOCHAM. Right answer is option C, Nirmal Kumar Minda, who has been appointed as new Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Right answer is option B, K. Sanjay Murthy, who has been recently appointed as head of the Comptroller General of Defense Accounts. Right answer is option C, Viswajit Sahai, who has been appointed as the new Secretary General of ASSOCHAM in 2025. Right answer is option C, Manish Singhal, who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI in February 2025. Right answer is option A, Tuhin Kanta Pandey, who has been appointed as the chairperson of the National Financial Reporting Authority. Right answer is option A, Nitin Gupta, who has been appointed as the 47th Vice Chief of the Naval Staff in August 2025. Right answer is option B, Naval Admiral Sanjay Vatsyan, who has been appointed as the first Deputy Managing Director of IMF. Right answer is option C, Dan Kedge, who has recently become the chairman of 23rd Law Commission. Right answer is option D, Dinesh Maheshwari, who has been appointed as the Director General of Indo-Tibetan Border Police in September 2025. Right answer is option A, Praveen Kumar, who has become the President of the Badminton World Federation. Right answer is option C, Khunyeng Petama, who has become the Chairman of the National Security Advisory Board. Right answer is option C, Alok Joshi, who has been appointed as the CEO of Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Right answer is option C, Rajit Punhani, who is the Chief Economic Advisor of India, whose term has been extended till March 2027. Right answer is option B, V. Anantha Nageswaran, who has been re-elected as the President of the New Development Bank. Right answer is option C, Dilma Rousseff, who has become the Chief of National Crime Records Bureau. Right answer is option A, Alok Ranjan. Nitish Kumar took oath as Chief Minister of which state for the 10th time? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.